Imagine, and if I did swing on him and beat his ass, I'd open this guy's like, oh, I can't say that.
What legal framework governs when an officer threatens a crime victim with physical force? Which constitutional amendments are implicated? And what civil remedies does federal law provide? This analysis examines those questions in sequence.
Do you have your ID on you? And can I get your ID as well?
He has both of ours.
Okay, all right.
Literally, imagine that, trying to get a fucking ride home and you get your head split for trying to be the nice guy. Imagine, and if I did swing on him and beat his ass, I'd be in jail. That's sad.
What was it?
Not necessarily. He hit us first.
Yeah, no, but I was trying to fucking like, all right, buddy, calm down. All I did was try and order a lift home for me and my buddy. We're from New Hampshire, so we're tourists. And I get my head split off the fucking wall for being the nice guy.
Yeah.
But could you imagine if I thought that?
Hold on, one sec.
Just tell me. I'm living.
Well, I think we're out with him now. That's what I was listening to.
Because guess what? He's going to be paying for every bit of this bullshit.
Hold up.
You got him in custody?
What's that?
Can I go upstairs? You good?
Yeah, you're good. Thank you.
No.
I can't shake your hand. Yeah, just sit down. You need the water?
Do you have him in custody?
Here, just come over here.
Right?
No, just take a seat right
Please
here.
let me point him out for you.
Not right now. Just listen.
Dude,
we're
I'm my head's cracked.
okay. EMS is coming. Just sit down and wait, okay? Okay, I don't know what you're talking about.
He's just in shock.
Okay.
Arrested for what? I didn't do anything. It's all
Exactly, and you're not going to be arrested. But you need to calm down, okay? You don't want to put yourself in a position where you're going to be arrested, okay?
How much worse could I get
Okay,
right now? What do you like? How much worse could I get?
Okay, all right. Yeah, I think they're out with them at Sloppy's right now. Yeah.
Oh man, stop. Dude, look at you, man. Why'd you fight?
Why are you asking?
I didn't, dude. That's the thing. You got attacked, bro. Why didn't you spray him, buddy?
Can you?
Honestly, go clean trash. I got no hair. No, go clean trash. Get the out of here.
Dude, stop. Stop.
You know what? And honestly, you too. I literally did nothing wrong.
Stop.
He's not trying to.
Yeah, but I'm pissed off. I literally, at one time, I don't.
Okay, well, it's fucking over,
And you
okay?
guys come back, oh no, I can't tell you where we're going to be custody.
How old are you? 22?
He's not trying to.
Fuck out of here. I literally did nothing. Seriously. It's like, oh yeah, no, we're just gonna sit here. We go EMS, you get robbed $4,000. Alright.
Okay, we're in the middle of something. Come on, keep walking. You're making things worse. Go.
Unbelievable. Dude, I'm pissed off. I didn't tell you. I literally sat there and did nothing. I got my head split open. These guys are like, oh, I can't tell you this. You can't tell you that. You guys, are you kidding me, dude? Can you see why I'm pissed?
Yeah. Can I see why you're pissed at me? No.
No, I'm not pissed, but seriously.
Okay, well, I wouldn't be able to tell.
My fucking head split open for literally sitting like this. 200 yards on the road.
Is that my fault?
No, it's not your fault.
Okay, so what are you yelling at me for?
Because if it was the other way,
I called the ambulance for you.
Myself, I'd be in jail.
What are you talking about? You're making no sense. I called an ambulance for you, okay?
Yeah, that's like, it's a $4,000 ride, buddy.
Okay, you're just making up numbers. I've explained to you 3 times how this is going. No. And you just don't want to listen.
Is he in custody or no?
We have somebody in custody right now.
Red shorts?
I don't know. I'm here. I'm here with you right now.
Yeah, but no,
Hey. So he got in a fight. Some guy freaking pushed him up against the wall. He's bleeding pretty bad on the back of his head there.
I'm gonna move your hair around, okay? What happened?
Me and him were trying to get back.
You got blood on you.
Yeah, you asked what happened.
Calm
I'm pissed
down.
off.
Calm down.
If I went to defend myself,
All right, we're not there. We're not.
Listen.
I know, but it's just bullshit.
Okay, look at me.
Bullshit. This is a $4,000.
Hey! Look at me. Look at me.
$4,000.
Yoo-hoo.
That's being stupid.
You're not stupid. Now look at me.
My father was a
Let me talk
firefighter
to you.
for 14 years. I know how it
9-8.
Alright. You fucking done for real? Alright, now focus. We're here to help you. You don't want our help? My turn to talk. I let you talk. My
9-8
turn.
back on
Are
one.
you ready? We're here to help you.
Just
You don't
stand
want
over
our
here
help?
for
That's
him.
absolutely
Just to
fine.
give him
You are in that
space to
right.
work. Yeah.
Can I look at your head and make sure your brain's not falling out?
Absolutely.
Alright, what happened? Without the arms, without everything, what happened?
Alright. So me and him, we left the club. We were ordering a Lyft or an Uber back to our hotel. We're from New Hampshire.
Great.
New Hampshire, we drove here. We got here a few days ago.
Okay.
This spaz came up to us. So what'd you say? Like we didn't even say anything. Nothing.
Did you get hit? Or
Yeah, I got hit.
Okay,
I got
with
my
what?
head smashed off the
You got
fucking
hit
building.
So that's
It's
what
like
happened.
bleeding
Alright,
out.
put your head down.
Being an
Let me see.
asshole.
Like, literally, I did nothing.
I think on the window right here, like hit my head like right here, and he kind of hit his neck.
Yeah. Yeah.
And he's like lucky. I think he's lucky. He's kind of like alive, almost like like how it's seen in movies. Like
You're not actually
Yeah.
he like hit
Yeah.
his neck on the
Yeah.
ground.
Exactly.
He's a little bit tripped out a little bit. I don't think he's trying to be a dead.
No, I get it.
I feel like he's just like a little like confused a little bit.
Yeah.
And I just want to make sure he's okay.
No, absolutely, and that's why I called the ambulance right
He is
away.
being an asshole. I don't think he's really trying to. He really usually isn't.
And you got a brain in your head.
People are
you
assholes
keep
to me all day.
arguing.
Man.
I
It's
know.
all right. I get it.
You know,
I
I'm
get it. I
gushing
appreciate
blood.
it.
I'm gushing
I
blood.
know
Tell
you're
me
being a
where I'm
dickhead, but
bleeding
like,
from. That's
no.
all I
I just
want
wanted
to
to make
know.
sure,
You got
like,
one
you know,
more
like,
chance,
how he's
because
really
you're
trying
yelling
to-
at me.
Yeah.
Do not
I think
make
he's
me
just-
want
I
to be
think
here
he's
doing this right now. Alright?
They're trying to help me. I'm not actively.
So again, I'm going to explain to you. You're not actively bleeding. You're not gushing blood. You're going to be a pain in the ass and argue with us about you not wanting us here.
I think he just hit it. He hit his
No,
head
I'm just, I'm aggravated.
Okay, I understand, but it's not with me. I didn't bash your head in.
I'm not like
So
trying
chill.
to give you shit. I swear to God, I'm not.
Okay.
On my
So
life.
again, I asked, do you want to go with us to the hospital and get checked out?
No. As long as I'm not actively.
You are
bleeding.
not actively bleeding. I cannot see where the wound is because you have long hair and I don't have a microscope. I can't see how big or small it is. Your options right now are, we can sign a refusal saying we
$4,000
can.
ride to the hospital.
I'll wait.
No, that's my option.
Your
Let her
options
talk.
right now.
$4,000.
Oh yeah, $4,000.
I
don't
get
know
in
how
that
much it is.
ambulance and I go to the office.
Do you want to go yes or no?
$3,000 to $4,000.
Do you want to go yes or no?
No.
Okay. Then we're gonna sign a refusal. All it's saying is we checked you out. You didn't want to come out with us. Stay
You
seated.
guys helped me out so
Sit down.
significantly.
Stay seated.
Stay seated for what? I thought I was.
Hey,
Stay seated.
sit your ass down.
Why are you being mean to him like that?
Sit down. She's being more than nice to you, bro. Just sit down.
He hit his head. Don't be mean to him.
Okay.
I don't know who you are.
He doesn't know,
But don't talk to
He
me.
doesn't know what he's
Fuck
doing.
you.
Stop.
I don't
Step
want. Don't
back.
talk to me,
Just
please.
step back.
Thank you.
Big dog. Like literally, all I did was sit here against my back against the f***ing building, get my head cracked.
But she's being,
Didn't
she's being
retaliate.
super
You
nice
imagine
to
if I retaliated? You imagine? You're gonna give me shit right now? Are you fucking serious? Go f off. F you. I've literally got a gushing f***ing head. I've been here for
No
2 or
reason.
3. Oh yeah, smiling.
Actually,
Make sure your f***ing body cam's not showing.
Actually, it's not gushing anymore.
Jesus Christ.
Nobody
Exactly.
from the start of this, I told you, you're not in trouble.
Your buddy
From the
here.
start of
All
it.
I'm saying is, dude,
I don't see a blinking light. You get
being
I'm
super
tough.
nice to you.
Man, look at. Yeah, but
Just give
don't
me
come up
basic-
to me like that,
basic
motherfucker. You.
Fuck
Go
you
take
too.
a lap.
I don't gotta go nowhere.
Like, what do you have to prove? You gonna be big dog on the block?
I have nothing
Go
to
f yourself.
Not to your little self, bro.
You're cool. F you. You're an asshole.
Okay.
Go spin a fucking lap.
I've been called worse.
Ooh.
My better.
Jesus Christ. You got your pants hiked up to your tits. F yourself. Come up here and act like a big dog.
You're a fed.
Yeah, it's crazy, isn't it?
fed?
They give it to anyone. No, he's not a fed. He's a police officer.
You talking to me? Yeah.
No, he's just trying to help.
Work on his
He's
blood.
trying to
I was
help me.
wondering. I just wondering, bro.
Nothing but respect to you guys. My father was a firefighter for 14 years. I'm sorry if I came off the wrong way, but especially go f yourself. Go f yourself. Literally spin a f***ing lap. You can go f yourself. I hope that f***ing thing's recorded. And show it to your chief. F yourself. Especially. No, seriously. I mean, go f yourself. Get out of my sight. I'm talking to you.
I don't have to do anything you tell me. That's how this works.
You want to smash my head off the wall too.
Never said that.
Yeah, do it. Your camera's not recording. Go ahead. I know you want to. I can see it in your eyes.
It's already been done. So I don't need to.
You're talking yourself into a problem.
I know.
No,
It's the way he f***ing talked. He came up to me.
It's right. His First Amendment right.
I literally, no, you know what, I'm bullshit, because for the one time I don't stick up for myself, I literally sit here, I get my head smashed off a f***ing brick wall. Imagine if I stuck up for myself, I'd be in for questioning, I'd have a f***ing court date. I live in New Hampshire. I'd have to come down here for a f***ing court date.
You just
Oh, that explains it. God, you smell like shit, get the f*** out of my sight. And that's a f***y ass beard too.
At least I can grow a full
Cup
one.
gas.
I was gonna say.
At least I can grow. Yeah, okay. Dude, seriously. You want to smash my head? Go ahead. At this point, go ahead.
I don't want to do anything, but I can see
No,
how you talk to yourself.
no,
into
I'm
getting your
serious.
head
I just really don't want to look at you. You smell like shit, for one. You're a f***ing bitch. For two, I've literally got no problem besides with you. Just really came up. Get the f*** out of my sight. Shooting steroids and shit. Looks like you've been walking on your forearms for the rest of your life.
Maybe you should hit the gym a little more. Sound jealous.
In the hotel or whatever.
No,
So
I'm gonna get a needle.
he's on listen. When he gets better, you guys get back to your hotel. Make sure he washes his hair. Shouldn't have to bleed. If it does, apply some pressure. It should stop again, just like you guys did a good job with that. Alright?
No, these are new body cam.
Listen, I got family in
These are new body cam.
all the
Okay? Listen to me.
Motorola, they blink. I know. I want his.
I
Listen,
just need you to answer one question. Okay?
Listen.
Don't touch him. Don't touch him.
Don't
Touch
touch
him.
me, you understand? Don't touch me.
Don't touch him.
I will f***ing take you to jail for touching me. Do not f***ing touch me.
I did.
You did. Don't touch him, okay?
You want to f***ing try your luck? You're f***ing with the right one. I'm telling you that right now. Keep this f***ing shit up, I'll take you on disorderly. You can understand me? She's trying to ask you questions, and you're f***ing worried about me. Answer her f***ing questions.
I'm just asking for your badge.
I told you we don't have f***ing badge numbers. Did I not?
Friend to you.
Huh?
Ask me.
Hey, come over here. Come over here.
I need to ask you one question. And that's really like,
Come over here. Come over here. Let him speak.
would you like to press charges? We just gave you his name.
Yeah, Officer Davis, but I just.
Forget about my badge number, dude.
No, I'm
Answer the question.
He doesn't really
Hey,
like
come over here. Come over here. Let him.
He doesn't really. I think he's a
Okay, we get it, and we've been more than patient with him. So
so aggravated. I'm sitting and not defending myself, which I might as well.
Okay. Would you like to press charges in reference to the incident in the red shirt? Okay, so we're gonna pull a case number, give them both refusal to prosecute, and then they can go about their business. Okay. So you can come with me. You can come with me. We'll give you a paper to sign, and you can go about your business. But if you keep it up, you're gonna go to jail for disorderly. Okay. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I
don't know,
understand.
man.
Now I
All right, let's
understand.
go. Come on, let's go.
You guys are great.
All right, come on.
I'm not going. You keep that guy away from me.
No, don't stop him.
You can keep running your mouth and I'll take you to jail. You're the f***ing problem here. You're the f***ing problem. So keep running your mouth and I'll make it my business.
Okay, I'm sorry. My apologies. I'm sorry.
Right there, yeah. That's where he hit the car. I think that's where he hurt his back. Yeah. The dude's on something.
This case sits at the intersection of three distinct legal areas: First Amendment speech protections, Fourth Amendment seizure law, and federal civil rights liability under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Each operates independently. Each carries separate consequences. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 451, 1987. The Supreme Court held that the First Amendment protects verbal criticism and profanity directed at police officers. This protection is not contingent on tone, content, or the officer's reaction. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. Any use or threat of force must be objectively reasonable under the totality of circumstances, judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. A threat to physically restrain a non-resisting individual constitutes a threatened, unlawful seizure under the Fourth Amendment. The threat itself not its execution. Triggers constitutional analysis. This is a threshold that this encounter crosses on camera. Cohen v. California, 403 U.S., 1,971. Offensive and profane language is constitutionally protected expression. Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire, 315 U.S., 568, 1,942. The fighting words exception is narrow and does not apply to profanity directed at officers. Disorderly conduct requires an overt act involving fighting, threatening behavior, or conduct creating substantial public alarm. Verbal insults and profanity directed at an officer without a physical threat do not satisfy this threshold as a matter of established constitutional law. 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 provides a civil remedy for any person whose constitutional rights are violated by a state actor under color of law. On-camera conduct constitutes simultaneous documentation of both the act and the legal exposure it creates for the officer and the municipality. Qualified immunity analysis under Pearson v. Callahan, 555 U.S. 223, 2009, shields officers only when the violated right was not clearly established at the time. First Amendment protection for speech directed at police has been clearly established since City of Houston v. Hill in 1987. That defense is unavailable here. Monell v. Department of Social Services, 436 U.S., 658, 1,978. Municipal liability attaches when unconstitutional conduct reflects official policy. A widespread departmental custom or deliberate indifference to adequate training. The documented conduct here extends liability beyond the individual officer. 3 evidentiary principles apply in encounters of this type. First, a threat is actionable, regardless of whether force was carried out. Second, refusal to provide officer identification is independently reviewable under applicable state statutes and departmental policy. Third, bodycam footage is binding documentation, not discretionary evidence. When a complaining victim is subsequently charged with battery based on external surveillance footage, this constitutes material impeachment evidence. It directly affects probable cause analysis, witness credibility assessment, and the threshold for any civil claim the victim might otherwise assert. The legal record in this case includes a documented on-camera threat against a crime victim, a refusal to provide officer identification, a disorderly conduct warning directed at constitutionally protected speech, and a battery charge that contradicts the complaining witness's own stated account. Each element carries independent legal consequence. What did the external surveillance footage actually show? Were the battery charges prosecuted, dismissed, or pleaded? And what does the gap between on-scene conduct and departmental accountability reveal about how civil liability is actually determined in cases like this? The record raises more questions than it resolves.